Hi, this is Vigneshwar, URK 19CS1052. In this video, we're going to see about arithmetic and looping statement using shell script. And straightly we're going to the first question. Here that question. The first question is develop an addition table for a given input number. We have to give one number to add a table. And here I start. So I already entered that code. So this is that code. And echo that addition table, and I have to read the n, and in this for loop I is equal to 0 and I is equal to 10 and I plus plus. So here do a is equal to s and I plus n to add, and that n plus I is equal to that a answer. So here that code. Now I run this code. Here I give 5. This is the addition table, and this is the addition table of the 5. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5 and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So this is the addition table, and straightly we come to the second question. Find a factorial of the given number. So I already entered that code. Here you see that factorial number. So here I slightly give like this. So this is the factorial code. Read that n, and factorial is equal to I give assign as 1 and while loop, and factorial star n, and n is equal to n minus 1. So this is that code. Now we're going to run this code. I hope it is clear to see. So I have to enter a number. So I enter 5. The factorial of 5 is 120. It's assigned correctly. And come to a third question. Find the sum of n numbers. So I'm going to third question. So sum of n numbers, we have to enter a number and read that n, and I assign s equal to 0, and here for loop I is equal to 0 and I is less than or equal to n and I plus plus. So here do that s is equal to s plus I, and that sum is equal to the result will become. So I run this code. Enter a number. I enter 5. 5 plus 5 is, wait, and this is the sum of n numbers, and we move to fourth question. Find the sum of the series 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and given 1, and this is the code to sum of odd numbers. So enter a number and I assign s is equal to 0 and read that line, and for loop I is equal to 1 and I is less than or equal to n, and I is equal to I plus 2 because it's an odd number. So meanwhile s is equal to s plus I. So we get odd number. So move to answer, enter a number. Yes, answer I get. And fifth question, display a multiplication table for a given number. and this is the multiplication code. Read that line, and for loop I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 10, and I plus plus, meanwhile s is equal to n star I, number of numbers into that I, and now I run this code. Multiplication of fifth table, and the table is came, and move to sixth question. Using for display the number from 10 to 1, listening. So here the table to display 10 to 1, displaying a number 10 to 1 for I is equal to 10 and I is greater than 0 and I minus minus. So it is come like the table of 10 to 1, and the output I get. And seventh question, print the Fibonacci series for the given numbers of 10, and this is the Fibonacci series code, and I assign A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, and the for loop I is equal to 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus. So temporary variable is equal to a plus b, and I assign a is equal to b and b is equal to temp. So it will come Fibonacci series. Now I run this code. Fibonacci series of 9, and this is the Fibonacci series of 9 value, and we move on. Eighth question, write a shell script to find the greatest of the three given numbers. So this is enter the three numbers to find the biggest number. So I read n1, n2, n3. We want three numbers. So, and if statement we give, so n1 is greater than or n2, and symbol n1 is greater than n3, and then that it will print as n1 is greater than or n2 and n3, and if n2 is greater than n1 and n2 is greater than n3, it will come n2 is greater, else that n3 is great. So now I run this code. Here I enter 6, 7, 9. So 9 is the biggest number, and so here 9 is the greatest number. So we move on. Ninth question, write a shell script to check whether a given number is odd or even. Here is the code. Is a given number is odd or even number, and that n is percentage of 2 equal to 0, it will come as even number, or if you give the odd number means it is come as odd. So now I run this code, enter a number, I give 9 is an odd, and I give here 6 is an even number, and the arithmetic and looping statement using scale shifts successfully executed and verified. So thank you for watching this video.